Okay, so this is just a quick little video because I'm showing off my breakfast. These are my microwaved quesadillas. Don't judge me. I only have a microwave, so 30 seconds in there with cheese. It makes perfect quesadillas. Mm. I have perfect snack. And also got these Blake's shepherd's pie, ground beef, and mashed potatoes. And it's gluten-free microwaved food. And it got some, oh, it's hot. Some meat and some corn, and also have my gluten-free beer. So everything is gluten-free. Just when you think that you don't have options as a gluten-free person, I get this. I'm gonna upgrade my tacos, my quesadillas to big old tacos and some Tabasco because I love it spicy. Mm. Mm. Just by itself is pretty good. It's just made of potatoes. Yeah. Maybe a little bit, needs a little bit of salt. Maybe add a little butter or like a slice of cheese and put it back in the microwave. But I like my little mixture over here. Look at them tacos. I turn everything into tacos. Mm-hmm. Yeah, very good. Really happy with my gluten-free microwave breakfast. For those of you that just don't have time to do stuff in the kitchen and just gotta get stuff done fast, quick in the microwave, and still be gluten-free.